One of the most foundational exercises that uses only your body weight, and is also very popular, is the push-up. The motion is straightforward and can be performed anywhere. It is also very efficient because it uses a large number of muscles all at once. When it comes to push-ups, a lot of people make the mistake of focusing on quantity rather than quality. To prevent this from happening, you need to concentrate on the following 4 tips and your push-ups will be perfect. Number 1. The position of your body. A push-up engages more muscle groups than just the triceps, chest, and shoulders. It also works the abdominal muscles, hips, legs, and the areas that are typically neglected by the majority of individuals. Some people when doing push-ups frequently have a rounded back and no tension in their bodies. To prevent this from happening, tilt your pelvis back and maintain a tight squeeze in your butt and core muscles. This makes the movement considerably more challenging and more efficient. Number 2. The position of your arms. When it comes to doing a perfect push-up, the arm position doesn't really make a difference. A push-up can be done with either a wide or a narrow grip. When performing a standard push-up, however, it is imperative that your wrist be positioned in a place that is nearly vertical under your shoulder. There are still some cases in which this rule is not followed. For instance, when you perform pseudo-planche push-ups, the emphasis is placed more on your shoulders, and when you perform sphinx push-ups, the triceps are the primary muscle group that is engaged when doing this exercise. Important. When performing standard push-ups, if your hands are wider apart, you work your chest muscles more. And when your hands are closer together, you place more focus on your triceps. Number 3. Range of motion. When doing a push-up, go all the way down, almost touching the floor, and then push all the way back up. Make sure you are doing a full range of motion and no cheating. Number 4. Finally, the movement of your shoulder blades. This is a tip that is almost never brought up. When you are lowering your body, your shoulder blades will come closer together. As you push back up, they spread farther apart. In addition to this, you should concentrate on pushing them downward rather than upward. However, it is important to keep in mind that there is a distinction between the active and passive ways of moving your shoulder blades. If your shoulder blades are too close together and you are not able to keep them apart, it is a sign that your shoulder muscles are too weak. This is particularly noticeable at the beginning of the movement. Focus on the tension and make sure your shoulder blades are moving actively when you are going down. When you take all of those considerations into account and attempt to do it on your own, you will find that doing a perfect push-up is much more difficult to do. It's very possible that if you focus on quality instead of quantity, you will not be able to do as many push-ups. Keep in mind though, quality is always more important than quantity. Do them the right way and you will be able to do more and more as the months go by. Thanks for watching. If these tips have been helpful for you, please give this video a thumbs up. For more great information on health and wellness, please subscribe to our channel. Watch this next video to achieve a total body change with just 25 push-ups a day.